Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. The graph represents a positive externality in consumption because the marginal social benefit, or MSB, is greater than the marginal private benefit, or MP. The vertical distance between MSB and MPB at Q0, MSB equals 8 and MPB equals 5, so MEB equals 8 occurs where MPB equals MPC, corresponding to a market price of $5. Equals 30. Since the wage is $20, the hourly profit increases by $10. 30 minus 20. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.